Oh my god, guys, so, I just woke up, and, I just gave the piggies water, and I just realized, I think that Cloud has the hiccups, and I had to get him recorded, and I wanted to show you guys. Cloud, do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? See his little belly, like, twitching? Is that the hiccups? Look at. Cloud, are you okay? Are you okay? I've never seen Piggy hiccups before. Oh wait, I think Booger had them when he was younger. Cloud, are you alright? Boogie, you better let him have some water. He's a little hog when he gets the water. When I refill the water, he always hogs it. You're a thirsty guy, huh? Alright, Boogie. Are you alright, Cloud? You got piggy hiccups? Look at him. Are you alright? He's just sitting here too. I hope he's okay. Okay, buddy? I think they went away. Are you alright? Huh? Did your hiccups stop? Did they stop? Oh. Sweet little piggy. Hey, Bugs. Well, I think his hiccups might have stopped. But that was pretty funny, if you ask me. I'm just glad he's okay. Alright, well, signing off.